Hi everyone, I hope you are having a great day today and welcome back to iSolution YouTube channel. On this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to install Sidestore on iPhone and iPad without computer and no revoke. Sidestore is an iOS application that allows you to sideload apps onto your iOS device using only your Apple ID. Sidestore resigns apps with your personal development certificate. As you can see, I'm using Sidestore without computer and install any IPA files, no revoke. Sidestore is an alternative app store for seamless sideloading. No jailbreak needed and no computer after the initial install, only a Wi-Fi connection. But to install Sidestore on your iPhone or iPad, you need to use computer to install it. But you only need a computer once. After that, you can use Sidestore without computer. You can install Sidestore on Mac or Windows. On this video, I will show you install it on Mac, because with Mac is easier to install Sidestore. First, please install Sideserver on your computer. It is available on Windows and Mac. Or you can check the link on description. Run Sideserver on your computer. Click Install Sidestore. If your iPhone or iPad not detected, please connect your device to computer. Now, you can install Sidestore to your device. Go back to your device. Then click Sidestore app. If you see Untrusted Developer, please verify on Settings, General, VPN and Device Management, and click Trust. Now you can open Sidestore. The next step, install Jitterbug Pair to make your device install IPA files without computer. Run Jitterbug Pair on your computer. Make sure your device is connected to computer. After running Jitterbug Pair, please copy the mobile device pairing name. Then, search the file on Computer folder. And transfer it to your device via Google Drive, emailing it to yourself or AirDrop. After you send the file, please check your device. Then open Sidestore again and select the file you just copied in Sidestore will be paired. And the last, open Sidestore website on your device. Then, install WireGuard on App Store. And download Sidestore's config file and share it to the WireGuard app. Enable Sidestore config. Now you can use Sidestore without computer and no revoke. Here I will try to install IP a file with Sidestore. Click the plus button and sideload the IPA file. To install IPA files in the Sidestore, you only need a Wi-Fi connection to install the application you want. Now, you no longer need the Scarlet or Esign application to install IPA files without a computer. And Sidestore also won't revoke like Scarlet and Esign. You only need the IPA file to install it with Sidestore. You are only allowed to install 3 applications in the Sidestore, but you can deactivate unused applications to install other applications. This is only inactive, but the data on the application will not be lost. For your information, you will see 7 days in the Sidestore application, but you can press the refresh all button to reset the remaining days. So the application you install will not expire and will not be revoked. About Sidestore WireGuard, you'll have to enable this VPN whenever you wish to use Sidestore. This VPN does not connect to an external server, but rather allows your device to communicate with itself. WireGuard VPN is useful for installing IPA files and refresh all days in Sidestore applications. You can disable WireGuard if you don't use Sidestore. If you use Windows, please just follow the tutorial on the Sidestore website. If there is a chance, I will make a tutorial on installing Sidestore on Windows. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for more update. And see you on the next video. Thank you.